Hi, I'm Carlos Ramirez. I'm with DryMaster Restoration. People often ask me, Carlos, I think I have mold, what should I do? The first thing is to see what the quality of the air is in your home. You want to do it with areas that are suspected to be affected and compared to areas that are not affected. The inspector will take an air sample outside the home and one inside the problem area, and they could compare the difference in the air quality between the outside air and the inside air. You'll get a reading of that, and he'll explain to you what type of molds are in your home and what, if they're toxic, what levels they are, and that will determine the degree of problem you have in your home. So it will determine if you need a full remediation, or it will determine if it's just something as simple as a wipe down cleaning that we also here do at DryMaster. By request of the inspector, we want to do exploratory cuts, and he gave us a scope of work. We're going to check with our moisture meter. Wherever we find that there's actually high elevations of moisture in the walls, with these, it's a penetrating one, so it kind of gets deeper into the drywall, and that's what you want to do. It's just going to make a very few small little dots, or we could actually use a sensor to go through this wall, and when we do find any type of mold, the machine will let us know. We're actually going to go ahead and open up the wall in this area, do an exploratory cut. It's probably going to be something around 6 to 7 inches wide, and that's what we'll be doing next. There was a prior water damage in this building, and they wanted to, instead of doing a full remediation, they asked for us to check in certain areas. So now that we do find that there is actually mold here, we're actually going to call for a full remediation in this area, and we'll talk to the homeowner about what's our next step for this process. So the first thing we would do if it's a full remediation job, it's prep the job. Create this containment barrier to protect the area that's affected from the rest of the home. When the actual work is being performed is inside that bathroom area. So that bathroom is going to be totally sealed, and it's going to be isolated from the rest of the house. This is what it's called, an air scrubber. And this machine has a HEPA filter that collects all the particulates in the air inside the area that we're going to be working in. That's the #1 concern: safety, cross-contaminations eliminated this way, and you could actually live at the house while remediation is going on. So you don't have to move out of the house or anything like that. This assures that the equipment that we're using it's going to be safe for your home and for whoever's occupying the building. So if you have any more questions, give us a call. Here at DryMaster, we're here for you.